The 2013 Mark Webber Tasmania Challenge reached its conclusion on Sunday with a fifth and final stage around Hobart. The day started with a 5-kilometre run along the summit of Mount Wellington. From there, the competitors transitioned to a 10-kilometre mountain bike leg, and then another run before 28 more kilometres on two wheels. Then it was on to a 12-kilometre kayak leg from Blackman's Bay before the final run to the finish line in the heart of Hobart. In total, the field covered 71 kilometres on Sunday. Leading the way on stage 5 were Guy Andrews and Ben Allen of the Rexona team. But the overall victory went to Team DiscoverTasmania.com, with their duo of Richard Ussher and Braden Currie. Alex Hunt and Mark Hinder of Pure Tasmania finished in second overall, with last year's winners Jared Kohler and James Preto of Team Swiss completing the podium places.
Folks, something doing the hard out there, as all the athletes have.